Good morning, guys. It's Chris from the DAXtrader.co.uk. It's Wednesday, the 10th of October, and this is the FTSE and DOW technical analysis. We've completed the webinar already. That normally takes place at 7 o'clock in the morning. To find details of that, make sure that you subscribe to Twitter or are in the Telegram channel, which you can find from the website, the DAXtrader.co.uk. Please read the trading disclaimer below. Be responsible for your own trading. This is for educational purposes only. But we're looking at the FTSE chart from yesterday, and this is the price action of yesterday. A couple of interesting opportunities we spotted here. First one here was a zigzag. I've been talking about that quite a lot today in the webinar. A zigzag right here was often a sign of a center of a move, a balance point for a move. So you can see here that if you just draw a basic fib tool and put the 50% line, you'll see that it cuts the middle of that zigzag perfectly. So that can give you an opportunity to trade what would be classed as an A, B, C, D move. So you measure the first move, the AB, and when you've seen the zigzag pullback, you can then get into take a trade to do the CD part of that move. Really, really nice opportunity. So yesterday on the FTSE, we were trading inside the IB, the initial balance, for quite some time. Broke to the downside, which offered a 30 to 40 point opportunity to trade that. Got back inside the IB for the rest of the session. And for today, our profile is as follows. We're trapped inside a really narrow IB. First 50 minutes of trading have been very, very constrained. And I'm looking for a break below or above to get out of this value area today, which could be interesting to spot. On the daily chart for the FTSE, yesterday broke the trend, if you like, of 3 consecutive plus 100 point range candles on the daily. Yesterday was only 68 points, but it was on high volume, so it could be interesting to see what's happening here. Looks like a spring is being pressed down. At some point, I'd like to see it pop somewhere out of this mini range that it's developing. That's my thoughts at the moment on FTSE. For Dow, something similar is happening. We're in this kind of daily regression channel. It's a different trajectory to FTSE, but we are currently testing that regression channel low, or the regression channel support. There have been a rejection of prices lower recently on the Dow. We've corrected, 2.5%, maybe 3% off the highs. How much further this can go is always a question to ask, but you know, the Americans just love to buy, so you wouldn't bet against this continuing to pop higher. Now, as far as the price action goes from yesterday, similar story to the FTSE. We were trading inside a range for I'll correct myself, FTSE did pop lower, but for the majority of the trading day, it carved out that range. But for Dow, it pretty much stayed inside that range the whole day, and the range was the value area of the previous day. And you can see that it tested the value area high, tested the value area low, again value area high, and here again high here. There was another zigzag right there in the middle between this high and that low, right central there. And so today we have again formed a smaller value area. We're trading within that at the moment. We have attempted to break it to the downside, come back inside. We're at the point of control as we speak at the moment. If we do manage to break the low of the day at the moment, then might have to wait for lower prices in order to get long, but probably would be expecting for this to pop higher. And we'll have to wait and see whether or not it does that for us today. So that is my thoughts for the FTSE and the Dow. I'm going to be looking at all 3 of those today. Have a look at the DAX video as well. I've just put that one up as well to see what outcomes we could expect for the 3. Come and join us again for the webinar tomorrow in the morning. Make sure you're there for 7 o'clock for that. It normally lasts about half an hour. All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel if you like what the content is providing. And visit the website, thedaxtrader.co.uk. And if you want to contact me on Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, then please do feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great trading day. Good luck, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Take care.